Hi everybody, and welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a variable speed laboratory homogenizing mixer. It has an adjustable deflector plate, which you see right here. We can loosen the thumb screw and pull that up out of the way. Allows you to see the actual homogenizing head itself. And we're going to put that back down and tighten a small thumb screw up. Now I'm going to show you here. The control has two functions. It has a variable speed control function. You see it on right now, which allows you to manually control the speed all the way up to maximum speed. Now we have the deflector plate lowered so it doesn't splash a lot. Now the central position to the toggle is off, of course, and then over here is directly just for high speed, where you want to operate most homogenizers at their maximum speed. Has a laboratory stand, 120 volt single phase tabletop design. We have lots of homogenizers in our stock here at Champion Trading, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. You can view our entire inventory on the site, and it's updated daily. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.